All right, so first to start off with, to start a new chat, just click this button right here. But it's the first chat, so you can just click this. Discard it. Add a new one. All right, so there goes a new chat. Then to add somebody, just type their name in up here. Click on it and edit the. Yeah, this is how you add them to the group. Then you can start messaging. You can start messaging right there. You can press this and you can name the group. Um, and that's how you name the group chat. You can send a message right here. Oh, you gotta add at least two people. Oh, I got this. Here. That's how you add it. Then you can just start it like that. Add the first conversation in. And if you ever need to change the group chat name, just click on this right here. You can change it. I'm not gonna change it. Then if say if you need to find this group chat later, you can pin it to the top. It'll be there right when you need it. Um, and you can also call the group. And yeah, it'll eventually load, but we don't have the time.